and welcome back to the final card in March's card class. This card looks quite complicated, but there's a really nice process to follow with this one. And as always, I have pre-cut and pre-scored, starting with a mint macaron card base, and I'm going straight in with my white card that I'm sticking down to the card front. Okay, I'm a big fan of using designer paper on cards, and this is a great little design that uses not a lot, but you get quite a lot of impact. Okay, so this one here, I'm gonna just line this up. I actually think I've cut these ever so slightly wrong, so just bear with me. Okay, right, I'm back now, so I will go back and just double check those measurements. I think it was my cutting that was wrong rather than the measurements in the measurement guide. So we're going to put our green piece across the top of the card, and I'm leaving just a little white border showing. Then I'm going to go in with my blue strip that is going down the left hand side of the card. And then finally I have my pink gingham piece, and you can mix and match these colours to match your taste. There we go, really, really nice. And then we're going to go in with our die pieces. So I've got a nice, oh no, before we do that we want some trim. Okay, so you can't really see too much of this, but just under here there's a little bit of trim. So I'm going to cut this so that it's just a bit, it's not as wide as the card. There we go, and then just fray the edge a little bit and cut off that overhang. And then that is going to get stuck down with some of that lovely tear tape, which is going to get hidden. Okay, bring that down a little bit more. Try and make sure it's straight, and now that's stuck on. We can now add in our circle, and I'm going to put this on with a couple of dimensionals. There we go, lovely. Next we have another one of these detailed, I call them scribble circles because it looks like someone scribbled a circle and then it's been cut out. It's probably got a more technical name than that, but I quite like scribble circle. And that's going down in the centre with some white glue. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to create a sort of wreath design, but this is not really a conventional wreath. So the first thing I'm going to do is pop my little bunny rabbit on, and there's quite a lot of depth in this card because I'm adding this with dimensionals as well. So he's going to sit nicely in the centre, and then I'm going to add a few of these little flower images. Such a pretty image. I've also seen this used, and I've used it myself. You can also use it to give the bunny a flower crown, which is really cute. Okay, let's put these on here. So I've done 3 in total. And there we go. The last thing we have to do is our sentiment. So I have a strip of petal pink card, and I'm going to stamp in petal pink ink. Same sentiment, enjoy the all the little moments. And this is a straight banner that's going in there. I'm going to cut that down just a teeny bit more. There we go, that's on. And then the last thing I need to do is attach this white bit inside the card. There we go, that is card number. Oh, I've just got my little gems to put on. Forgotten about those. You'll find these in your die cut and embellishment packs. So there we have it, card number 4 is all finished. I do hope you really enjoyed these designs. If you've done something differently, please share it with me. I love to see how you've been inspired by the kits that I send you all. And there is one more video, because it's Easter, I have shared with you all this really cute little box tutorial, and you will see that all over on the very final video, which is up right now. Bye for now.